Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a new install with ductwork and a zone system. So a zone is this one here. It's got a control, and this damper opens and closes to allow more air to come in. And this is a 5-inch filter holding allergies and things like that. And we're gonna install this system. It's a 2-story house. That way it helps control the upstairs and downstairs with 2 thermostats. I got one system of 2 thermostats and 2 zones for upstairs and downstairs. And it'll work a lot better. It helps control the humidity, help control the temperature. It doesn't get too hot or too cold, either upstairs or downstairs. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacnheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye.